guys, welcome back to Akam Aurora, and today I'm gonna be doing a gaming video. So I already did some of it, or I'm stuck, I guess. Yep, I'm stuck. Oh, good. I wanna cry out loud. One sec. Today I'm also gonna be filming with my mom's AirPods. Well, how am I? Okay, so we're gonna be going over here. Okay, a bit more forward. A bit more, a bit more, a bit more, a bit more. So, guys, I hope you subscribe to my channel. Wait, so I'll just park in the worst. Well, do you know, I actually had an update for this. I used to play this without even filming, but I didn't have any ideas because I would do the ninja video, but I would just do it in another day. Like maybe in the last day of summer break. Okay, so as I was saying, that make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications, and so then you get a notification whenever I post a new video, and subscribe to my channel. Did I already say that? I'm actually getting no likes on any videos of mine, so I would really appreciate if you would like my video. Look how cool my webcam looks when I just put it into cool angles. This is actually the Lamborghini Urus. I'll just fix the camera angle. Okay. Boom. I wonder if I'm on level 20, because it says that if I'm on level 20, then I get to do multiplayer. I'm gonna do that in another video. But I think maybe because I have an update, I think chat is gonna be available now. First they didn't put chat, but in one of my games I do have chat. So I played that one. Like the driving school sim. Remember that? I made that video in one video. Police, move out the way. Why do you always have to say what? Whoa, that was a sharp turn. What is this ad? I have to put this monkey inside the crocodile. What is that even? Kick the buddy? Oh. it's already done. Oh, okay. Beep, beep, beep. I said move, police. Yes, I'm the judge. Why do you not go fast? I meant goes fast. Okay, I'm gonna see how many seconds I've been filming for. Oh, it's been 6 minutes, so I might have to end that, guys. So bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So peace, and I'm out.